If you want to know how you can make money with this website, just sit down and relax. I will walk you through step by step how at the end of the video you'll be able to be at a stage where you can make this type of money. I know this money is not so much, but at least you can make something out of it. Alright? Now, before we get started, we need to create an account. If you're already a member, put in your email, your password, solve the captcha and log in. Alright? But if you're first time here and you want to create your account, just hit on the sign up button over here or this place and you will be redirected to this page. What you want to do is put in your name, your email address, your password, country where you're residing, and click I'm not a robot. There is one thing that you need to know before signing up also. Don't use VPN on this website. If not, they are going to ban your account. Alright? Then agree to the terms and conditions and click on the create my account. Alright? Now this is the home page. This tab right here will show you all the available jobs for you. This website got a lot of jobs. Alright? They have a lot of jobs, right? Here we basically show you all the tasks that you've carried out already, of the tasks that you finish. Alright? My campaign is basically meant for the employers. Here you will see all the jobs that you posted, all your running campaigns, all your running ads that you set on Rapidworkers. Alright? This is not for the freelancers, it's for the employers. On my account, you will see all your account details where you can change your address, where you can put in your phone number and carry out any necessary information about your profile. Alright? Why here is deposit? It's also for the employers, people who are employing you to work for them as a freelancer. Alright? This tab over here, which is the withdraw, is the place where you withdraw your money, where you put in all your informations and carry out. Let me click for you to see. You can only withdraw your money when you have a balance of over $80. Alright? And they accept only PayPal. And you must take this into consideration, right? They accept only PayPal and you must have a threshold of $80. And to withdraw is very straightforward. They usually pay between 24 to 48 hours. These tabs over here are the search bar. Here, what you want to do is to put in the job name that you're looking for and hit on search. Everything is going to pop up. Alright? Here, there is the target workers. It's a little bit complicated. Just leave this as it is. Alright? And search for jobs by payment also, by time and status. If you want to search for a particular job, what you have to do is to put in the keyword here. Let me say YouTube. Hit on enter. You can see the jobs that are coming are all about YouTube, right? The jobs that are here are all about YouTube. YouTube marketing, YouTube subscribe plus like. This one is international and he's going to pay 4 cents. This one is YouTube like, comment and subscribe. Now when you search for job, there are a lot of things that you have to bear in mind. One of them is check if the job is available in your country. That is what they meant by target worker. Check if these jobs that say USA, UK, Australia and South Africa are basically people who live in this country, right? If you are one of those people that live in this country, USA, Canada, Australia, you can carry out this task. But if not, you can skip it and come here where it says international. You can see also have YouTube international, but it's going to pay us 4 cents. And you should subscribe, like and comment. Let's see what the job is all about. Ninety job has been done out of 62 jobs and you will earn 4 cents. It takes less than a minute to finish because it's very easy task. Now let's see what the employer is expected from us. If you sign up before in StarClick, don't do this job. No. Go to Bitly, sign up. No, I don't like this type of job. I wanted to show you something very simple, something very straightforward. Like something very straightforward. Let's check this out. But wait, I will show you the other method that I use to make this amount of money here. Alright, I will show you the other method that I use to accumulate this type of money here, right? This is just for a cent. This job that I'm showing you right here is for the easy task, the one that is very easy. Alright, let's check this out, what it's all about. This one's what is expected for the workers. YouTube search Free Fire Classic mode in a gameplay. Open this link and search it on YouTube. The required proof that the task was finished. Screenshot of the 2 video commented. Watch the 2 video. How many times subscribe? Now, this type of job here is very easy to my understanding. What you say now is we have to go to YouTube and search for this particular video here. For you to say what you wanna do, copy the link. Alright. When you copy the link, paste it in another tab to see what is the picture. Now this is the thumbnail, right? This is the thumbnail of the particular video that you will search. Now let's go to it again and see. This is the first one. This is the second one. Let it load up. There is the second video. Okay. Now that we have the 2 video, he said go to YouTube and search for Free Fire Classic mode in a gameplay. That is the first video. While the second video is Bermuda remastered in Clash Squad format. Wait, let's go to YouTube. And that we are in YouTube. Let's go again and copy the keyword Free Fire Classic mode. Let's check what it's all about. Boom. Now you can see the particular video that we saw the picture of, right? This is the picture, and now this is very short. This is the video, right? This is the second one, and this is the first one. Classic mode 7K. This is the particular video. It's very easy. Just want you to watch the 2 video and send a screenshot. To send a screenshot, listen. To send a screenshot is very pretty straightforward. Also, it's very easy. If you want to send a screenshot after you might have watched the full video, come to this place where it said if it's a pre-screen, if a pre-screen is asked, use this free site right here. Now let's click and say. When you click on the link, what you have to do, you might after you might have saved the screenshots on your phone or your tablet, wherever it is, click on this place that said browse image. Go to the folder and set the particular picture that you want to upload and hit on open. Alright, send the 2 screenshots, paste the 2 link here, paste the 2 link of the video that you watched here, and click on the I confirm that I have followed the full instruction and completed the task. Alright guys, that's just it. It's very easy, but at the end of the day it's gonna pay you 4 cents. Now let me show you the other method that I use mostly to accumulate the money that I make here. Alright, and let me show you the method. Now let me explain to you how I was able to generate this money right here after I withdraw this money. Alright, when you want to make real money with this website, what I expect you to do is search for a job that will at least pay you $1. Alright, that will at least pay you $1. By that way, when you carry out at about 10 jobs, you'll be making already $10. Alright, to do that is very easy. Come here where it says the payment, click on the payments, and scroll all the way to $1. There's $1. Now you can see all the jobs that are available are starting from $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. Alright, $1, $1, $1, $1. Now the next thing is for you to check which people are eligible to carry out the task. This one is for people who lives only in UK, only in USA browsing. Now I will use this one as a reference. This one as international is basically from everybody. If you carry it out today, you'll be making already $1. There is another one from international $1, another one from international $1. That is $3 already. This one is from USA. I will leave that. I will leave that. International. If you're able to carry out these 5 jobs, at least you've made already $5. Now, and with the same method, you can also check for jobs that are going to pay you like starting from $2. Let's check this out. You can see you have out about one international, two international, three international jobs that are going to pay you $2. All right, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to make at least $6 from these 3 jobs, and the jobs are still active. That is the reason why they are showing green. You can see it from here. This one right here is remaining just one task. Why this is remaining 9? You still got a lot of time to make it. If you search for a job in this way, at the end of the day, you see that you have accumulated some bigger amount of money. I know $20 is not that big, but at least it's something worth showing. If you are finding this video interesting, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notification so that whenever I drop a new video on how to make money online, you'll be the first person to watch it. Alright? Thank you.